My name is Saurav and I am from Touring Next. So let's begin with a real comparison. Here you can see a squeezed and hexagonal shape, and the wire is fused into directly connection point. So what does that mean? It will get heater and heater when you use in your industry. But look at this revolution, look at this ultrasonic terminal welding, the flat, clean and solid, and the wire is directly bonded with the terminal. So what does that mean? It will make no resistance at all. With the pressure welding, when the current increase and the heat increase, the resistance will also increase. But here, with the ultrasonic welding, there will be no resistance at all. So there is no heat damage. But when you use this in your industry, it can make a great boom. What does that the boom means? So it can lead to a fire, it can lead to a power damage, it can lead to a huge power loss for your industry. So this is our revolution, this is our new machine, this is our ultrasonic welding machine, and this is our monitoring system. Here you can monitor the real-time welding data. So after 2 million times terminal welding, all you need to do one thing. Just change the mold here. You can see the small mold here. So after 2 million times welding, you just need to change this part and continue your industry work welding further. This machine can save your 30% terminal cost. This machine can give you zero resistance in the power connection. These machines can give you the real-time data. So everything is here with this machine. Now I will show you how this machine works. I will show you how you will operate this machine in your industry.